We are going to talk about editing a placed drawing on a layout. So this is our drawing, just as we would see it on our sheet. And we need to edit some things on this view, but we still want to make sure that that is going to stay within our sheet parameters. And that's when you would use this technique. You would use it when you want to edit something, but you still want to make sure it's going to fit on your sheet. So we're going to select our drawing and we're going to right click on it. And that's going to bring up our context menu. So if we open it with a source view, it is just going to take us to that saved section right there. With no other information, that's just our saved view, how we had saved it. So that's how we get directly to the saved view of that drawing. Now we can open that saved view with our sheet as a reference by right-clicking and getting our context menu up. And then we select Open Source View with Layout as a Reference. And that's going to give us this on our screen. So it's automatically turning a trace reference on. So what you see in red here is the trace reference of the sheet. Not the information on the sheet, just the sheet itself, the master layout. And the reason we would do this is so that we can extend what our drawing would be or shrink what our drawing would be to make sure that all of the information is still fitting on the sheet as we have it selected. We can also take our drawings when they're on the sheets and explode them into our current view. And what that means is it's going to take the information that's on this drawing as ArchiCAD sees it, and it's going to turn all of this into lines, fills, polylines, arcs. So it's no longer going to be live to the model if we explode it into the current view. But to do that, we would select our drawing, right-click to get to our context menu, and then we're going to say explode into current view. And now once we do that, everything becomes lines, fills, polylines, text boxes. These are no longer walls and doors. These are just lines and fills representing walls and doors. So this is no longer live to the model to be updated. If you explode it into the current view, you have control over how these lines are showing.